Friends, Huawei Y9A comes with Android 10, EMUI 10.1, but there is no Google Play services, and powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G52MC2. Whereas Poco F2 Pro comes with Android 10, MIUI 11 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with 2.84 GHz octa-core with GPU Adreno 650. If you see the display of this device, you can find 6.63 inches screen size with IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 397 ppi pixels density. Whereas Poco F2 Pro comes in 6.6 inches of screen size with Super AMOLED capacitive display that comes with a resolution 2100 by 1080 pixels with 395 ppi pixels density, and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection on the front and the back side of the phone. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Y9A is available in 128 GB with 6 or 8 GB RAM and also supports up to 256 GB nano shared memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in space silver, sakura pink and midnight black colors. Moving on to Poco F2 Pro, it is available in two variants of primary storage. One is 128 GB comes with 6 GB RAM, while the other one is 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, but it doesn't support external memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, that is produced in grey, purple, white and blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Y9A, it measures 163.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 197 grams of weight with a dual nano SIM support. Whereas Poco F2 Pro, it measures 163.3 by 75.4 by 8.9 mm of height, width, thickness and 218 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Huawei Y9A comes with quad camera setup, that is 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures respectively, with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K and full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with motorized selfie camera of 16 megapixels with 2.2 aperture wide angle, and that can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Poco F2 Pro, that comes with quad 64 plus 5 plus 13 plus 2 megapixels primary cameras with wide telephoto, ultra wide and macro angles with depth sensors. It shoots out videos of 4320p at 24 or 30 frames per second, while 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second, and also equipped with motorized pop-up 20 megapixels wide-angle camera for selfie shootouts that can do recording 1080p at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Huawei Y9A, you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, compass, accelerometer and a gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth, dual band GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Poco F2 Pro, you can find under display optical fingerprint scanner that comes with different sensors like barometer, gyroscope, accelerometer, compass and proximity. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi, dual band, Bluetooth, hotspot, GPS, NFC, infrared, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast charging with 33 watts and can charge the device 100% in 63 minutes that they claim. This phone is powered by non-removable 4700 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.